Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make biofuel in Icarus. Now first things first, what you're going to have to do is to open up your tech tree right here and go over to the tier 3 category. And inside here, you can find the biofuel composter and the biofuel can. Both of these things are what you're going to need to require to make some biofuel, because the biofuel that's going to be produced by the composter is going to be placed inside the biofuel can. Now for you to make the biofuel composter, you're also going to need the cement mixer because it does require some concrete mix for you to make it. Alright, now inside my base, the biofuel composter is right here. Now by pressing F to interact with it, you can see all of the various different recipes for you to make biofuel. Now my main way of getting biofuel is through the use of some spoiled meat, some spoiled plants, or even wood, which the wood and tree sap is pretty easy to find. Now as I mentioned earlier, you are going to need some biofuel cans, and if you are wondering how to make them, for you to make a biofuel can, you're only really going to need 25 pieces of iron ingots, so it's pretty cheap to make. Once you've done making that, just plop it right down here inside the composter along with the other recipes such as the wood and tree sap, or the spoiled plants and the tree sap, and once again the spoiled meat and the tree sap. It's going to start refilling this biofuel can. As you can see right here, is at 0.1 liters. If I check over again, it's at 0.2, and once I check over again after this is done, it's 0.3. And that's pretty much it about how to make biofuel in Icarus.